Today was also the first day of trial for the Rutland woman accused of killing an infant at her childcare business back in 2019. Our Eichmann David was in court and shows us what happened on day one.
Up and down Route 7 and around Rutland County, signs read justice for Harper Rose. And on Monday, years after her death, that process began.
Stacey Valancourt facing a judge and a jury as the trial started with opening statements on Monday. The trial has been delayed due to the pandemic and Valancourt's efforts to get the charges thrown out.
With that, we will start with opening statements.
Monday, an emotional courtroom during opening statements in the death of the 6-month-old.
They got the worst news that any parent can receive. There was nothing left to do. Harper was gone. There was no coming back.
Valancourt is accused of giving 6-month-old Harper Rose Breyer a deadly dose of a sedative back in 2019 at her child care business.
Harper was in the defendant's sole care for hours and hours. The defendant was the only adult with access to Harper from the time she was dropped off until right about when the ambulance crews arrived.
The defense didn't deny that diphenhydramine was the cause of the death, but poked holes in the state's presentation from no evidence of the drug at the child care center.
The evidence is going to show that the state, through its investigation, has never recovered any medication from Stacey Valancourt to contain diphenhydramine.
And stating no proof that Valancourt dosed the baby, questioning the mechanism of death, not the cause.
The issue is that the state has to prove that Stacey gave it to her, and the state has to prove how it was given.
The jury trial is expected to last all week long. In Rutland, Eichmann David, Channel 3 News.